In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a year-over-year week comparison in Tableau in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to launch the Tableau app. Once you've got that done, open up your worksheet. This will set the stage for everything we do today. We're starting off by creating calculated fields, a crucial part of this process. Head over to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. You'll name the first field Max Order Date. This step is essential as it allows Tableau to determine the latest date in your dataset. Enter the query *max order date into the calculated field dialog box and click OK. This code helps Tableau understand the maximum order date available in your data. Next, repeat the process, open Analysis, and create another calculated field. This time, name it Day of Year Max Date. Enter the query Date Part Day of Year Max Order Date, which extracts the day of the year from our maximum order date. Then you'll open Analysis once more, creating a field called Day of Year of Order Date, and input the query Date Part Day of Year Order Date. These steps help convert dates into a more manageable format for comparison. Now we move on to a calculated field titled Previous Year. Here, the query min year max order date 1 comes into play. This calculation helps in setting up a comparison baseline. Let's proceed to create another field named Date Filter. Enter Day of Year of Order Date, Day of Year Max Date, ensuring that only relevant data points are evaluated. With these fields prepared, you'll drag a dimension, such as Order Date, to the Filters section. Click the drop-down, select Years, and check the 2015 and 2016 checkboxes, then confirm by clicking OK. This effectively filters the data to these specific years. Next, drag the Date Filter field into the Filters area, select True, and hit OK. This ensures that only data meeting our criteria is shown. Now it's time for visual setup. Drag Order Date, selecting Week Order Date for continuity, into the view. Then relocate a measure like Profit to the row shelf, duplicating it right after for our calculations. Move Year Order Date from Filters to the Marks card, applying it as a color. Feel free to adjust the colors to differentiate between years for clarity. On the Marks field, click Sum Profit and add detail to Max Order Date and Previous Year. At the rows shelf, on the first Sum Profit, right-click to add a table calculation, selecting Running Total and checking to add a secondary calculation. In the Secondary Calculation section, choose Year of Order Date. Drag the secondary calculation on top before closing the dialog. Modify the chart type to area by accessing the first sum in the Marks field. Conclude this setup by clicking Nulls and opting to show data at the default position. For the second sum, Profit, repeat the table calculation setup, but focus on a simple running total. And there you have it, a detailed guide for creating a year-over-year week comparison in Tableau, offering insights at a glance. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing.